Welcome to World Craft Logistics episode number 16. My name is Jimmy, and today I'm going to give you a tip on how to save money during Q4. Everyone talk about shipping, everyone talk about advertisement, marketing on Amazon, but no one talk about storage. Storage is a very big subject. Storage could save you hundreds and thousands of dollars because storage during Q4 with Amazon charge you four times the amount of storage that they normally charge during the normal season. And even with the normal season, Amazon price is already high compared to outside storage. So let's just stop talking and let's just go straight into the numbers. All right, so we're gonna open up Amazon Seller Central, and then we're gonna go to United States, and we're gonna go to inventory storage fee. So right here is your monthly inventory storage fee. We're gonna talk about just the standard product, okay? So from January to September, Amazon charged you 69 cents per cubic foot. And from October to December, which is Q4, Amazon charged you $2.40 per cubic foot. As you can see, the price increased almost 4 times. So this is where we want to talk about saving you money during Q4. But the point of this video is that we're going to save you money throughout the year and not only during Q4. So I create an Excel file to compare the numbers. So this is what you have right here is a standard pallet, right? A standard pallet is roughly about 40, 48, 72 inch, is about 80 cubic foot, and is about 2.2 CBM worth of cargo. So we learned that Amazon storage during January, from January to September, the normal month, is going to cost you 69 cents. So what I did was that I took 3 pallets, I multiplied by 80, it gave me 240 cubic foot. And I multiply that by 69 cents per cubic foot, it gives me a storage fee of $156 per month. And then I took a 20-foot container, which roughly hold about 14 pallet, multiplied by 80 cubic foot, give me 1,120, and I multiply by 69 cents. Amazon storage is going to cost me $772.80. And for a 40-foot container, it's going to be 28 pallets. I did the same math, and it's going to cost me $1,545.60. So you could do this with my warehouse, we provide warehouse service, or you could do this with any other warehouse out there. Majority of the time, most warehouse outside, the storage fee is going to be way cheaper than Amazon. So we took the same 3 pallets, multiplied by 80 cubic foot. You give yourself 240 cubic foot. And you multiply by, this is pretty much our warehouse fee, which is for the first 30 days, it's going to cost 33 cents per cubic foot. So you multiply that by 33 cents per cubic foot, it costs you $79.20 per month to store at our warehouse. And then for a 20-foot container, same math, it's going to cost you $369.60. And then for a 40-foot container, 28 pallet, multiply by 80, and then multiply by 33 cents, you can get yourself $739.20. So right here is pretty much our warehouse fee. Let's look at the 40-foot container. Our storage monthly fee for a 40-foot container is going to cost you roughly about $739. And then Amazon pretty much going to charge you double that amount, which is $1,545. Right? So this is where, not during Q4, but during the normal season, you could always store it outside or store it at our warehouse. It's going to be way cheaper for you. But right now, let's talk about Q4 because this is where the big money is, right? So during Q4, Amazon charged you. We learned that Amazon increased the price almost double on storage. It went from 69 cents right here to $2.40. So when you multiply the same math, Amazon charged you for 3 pallets. They charge you $576 per month, and for our fee it's still $79 throughout the whole year. However, we do increase our fee after 30 days. It's going to cost you $108. But the problem with this is that, as you can see, our fee is still $108 and Amazon is $576. So this is pretty much our fee right here. It go from 33 cents for the first 30 days to 45 cents after 30 days. And then if you do LCL shipment, which is small shipment, it go to 60 cents per cubic foot. But if you ship full container, because we consider you to be a high volume shipper, we keep your price at 45 cents, right? And then, so let's talk about the 40-foot container. Again, 40-foot container during Q4, which is October to December, peak season, Amazon is going to charge you $5,376 to store your good. For us, we charge you $1,008, right? So I mean, this is a lot of money you could save if you can become, like even from from 3 pallets comparison, we're looking at you saving hundreds of dollars a month. And then you do 40-foot, 20-foot containers, you are saving thousands of dollars per month. This is a lot of money, and this is going to make you different from the rest of other sellers who don't know and just ship their cargo straight to Amazon. And the reason why I know this so well, because we handle over 400 Amazon accounts. All right, now we see the numbers and we can compare between Amazon and outside storage, small shipment and big shipment. You kind of get the idea why big sellers are doing this is because storing outside is always cheaper comparing it to taking it straight into like a retail location. So what I consider Amazon warehouse is a retail location. If you want to sell some product, you want to store your product at a storage facility. You do not take your storage product into the shopping center, into the mall, and use as storage, because that's prime real estate. And for Amazon, that is their FBA location is the prime real estate for them. So that is why storage outside of Amazon is always cheaper, and this is a service that our company provide. You're welcome to contact us. My information is below, and we will provide this warehouse service for you. We handle over 400 Amazon accounts, and they all store their cargo here is because it benefits them. Thank you very much for watching, and if you have any more questions, again, you're welcome to contact me. My information below.